Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker with RJO Futures here on Tuesday, May 14th with some commentary here in the energy markets. So let's kind of get started here. What do we have going on? Well, right now, June oil prices here, touch weaker here. They've been weaker here mostly overnight. Currently, we're trading right around about $95 a barrel. So they have the market off there about 17 cents. Brent also weaker. That's down about 42 cents at around 102.40-ish area. So take a look at that spread there, the Brent WTI spread here. We're now under 750. We've really seen that spread narrow in. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know here back a while ago here, we saw at one point that spread was as wide as almost $25, and it's really narrowed, and it looks like it's going to continue to narrow at this point. But give me a call, shoot me an email. You want to learn a little bit more about how to potentially trade that spread here, we can get into more detail. Moving on, nat gas bucking the trend a little bit here. We've got nat gas quite a bit firmer here. We're up about 1.5%, almost 2%, trading right around $3.99. We've got that up about 6 to 7 cents here. Taking a look at the RBOB, that's a touch firmer here right now, coming in just over 283. That's up about a penny, while the heat's under some pressure here. That's down almost 2 cents at around 283-ish area, 283 and a quarter-ish area. So we're certainly seeing that under some pressure. Some of the things here, we take a look at the oil market and what's been kind of moving it and where prices have been at. As we spoke last week here, we've seen prices kind of starting to come down off their high. Friday, we saw a big move down here, and of course the market looked like it was hitting a lot of stops there for a little bit, but then the afternoon came back here quite a bit. Now, since then, yesterday, we've seen an inside day. Market's been a little bit weaker, and so far today, another inside day, and that tells me that we've got a lot of consolidation going on in this market, and that market, in my opinion, is looking to make another move and probably going to break out. And which direction that might be, looking forward, my opinion of it is I think prices are going to break here a little bit lower. Again, look at those stockpiles here. We've got plenty of crude out there right now, in my opinion. Take a look at the way the dollar has been reacting. We've continued to see that strengthen here, the dollar index here, and that can generally help put a little bit of pressure on crude prices. Now, we take a look at here the report coming out here tomorrow. Here we've got API later today, EIA numbers coming out. They're looking for a build again, but a small increase right now, about 350,000 barrels. So we'll kind of keep an eye on that. One of the things that has been kind of helping lend a little support to the market, of course, has been these equities markets. I mean, look at the way the equities market has been here. The momentum is surely, I think, slowed down there, but nonetheless, we continue to make a little bit newer highs and keep kind of staying a little bit firmer there. And so that, I think, is a little supportive to the market, but in general, I think the market actually has a bit of a weaker tone to it. Short-term technical indicators are telling me that the market is in overbought area, and I think that we're going to be looking to target here that 200-day moving average. That would be putting the market down around about the 93 to the 93.5 area is kind of where I'm looking for that market to break to here right now. And you take a look here, we do have option expiration here in the oil market here a little bit later part of this week, so I think that can come into play as well. But as always, keep in mind that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk, may not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.